Horses out, we have Angel Eunice, pass to begin, down on the inside, Super Legera, moving up on the outside now, is expecting Kaitlina, Zanteria rushing up, his street song in the middle, Botbo and Line Joji, Angel Eunice by about 2.5 lengths, and in second is Street Song, Santeria, moving up by Drell, then 2 lengths, Owen Port, expecting Kaitlin, Super Legera, Botbo and Flying Joji. They swing into the back. We have Angel Eunice by Ralenka Nehapa. Santeria now moving up by the rail to take second. Is Street Song alongside third. Expecting Kaitlin is racing in fourth. Then comes Super Legera, Botbo and Flying Joji. And that's still Angel Eunice by about 2 lengths. Santeria remains in second. Is Street Song on the outside third. Then followed by Expecting Kaitlin, Botbo, Super Legera and Flying Joji. Angel Eunice still in front by Ralenka Nehapa. Is Street Song now once again on the outside. Expecting Kaitlin in third, running by the Santeria, Botbo, Super Legera and Flying Joji. As they come there to the last 200. And that's Angel Eunice moving up his Street Song. And on the outside expecting Kaitlin, Santeria. Angel Eunice still in front by Ralenka. And on the outside is Street Song expecting Kaitlin. But it's still Angel Eunice. And finally, Angel Eunice. Second is Street Song, Botbo. Then comes Expecting Kaitlin, Santeria, Super Legera, and Flying Joji.
Pinakadehado.